And come on. Come on, bro. And there it is. Do you guys see this? I'm honestly shocked. This is insanely fast. Like,
This video is not financial advice, it's just my personal experience, and you don't have to repeat it.
how did I find a method that gives results like this? I've been into crypto for over 5 years, and I'm constantly testing new methods. Recently, I decided to make a video where I explained how beginners can start in crypto with no investment, broke down how crypto works, and tested one service from a newer and not very mainstream niche. And this was the result of the first test. In this video, I'll explain what this service is, how I found it, and how it actually works. My name is Arthur. I'm a trader with over 3 years of experience, and on this channel, I test different crypto services and strategies for educational and entertainment purposes. I want to explain how I found a service like this because it's important to understand that luck like this doesn't just fall from the sky. A long time ago, I got interested in cryptocurrency mining, passive income and lower risks compared to trading because your money isn't directly on the market. You're actually mining, but to mine crypto, you needed a GPU rig. Just so you understand, one graphics card alone cost around $5,000 back then, which was huge money for me at the time. And to make decent income, you needed like 10 of those cards. Then recently I heard about cloud mining and instantly got curious about how it works and whether it was legit or just another scam. Cloud mining basically refers to online services designed for people like me who don't have the ability to buy mining farms worth tens of thousands of dollars. And now I can mine without owning any hardware myself. The core idea stayed the same. These services still use offline GPU farms, but they created convenient online platforms so people can do it straight from their phone. At first, I thought this was the perfect solution, but then I got skeptical because I have a lot of experience testing different crypto services and I've lost money many times before. But I still decided to test it. I started searching for platforms, tried several, got burned a few times, complete scams. Then one day, I was talking about it with a friend who's also been in crypto for years, and he recommended the service I mentioned earlier. A lot of time has passed since then. I did my research, fully looked into how cloud mining actually works, and now I want to explain it to you based on the service I personally started testing. First, I'm going to open my channel where I've collected extra materials and notes about this and other tests, and where I also announce my upcoming YouTube videos, so make sure to subscribe if you don't want to miss them. I go here, tap this, and hit done. Nice, now I click here and I'm in. Here, I can see the service description and different mining options for different coins. Honestly, everything looks pretty simple, even though there are some complex computational processes happening behind the scenes. I'll choose this option. You can pick something else if you want, but I personally like Bitcoin. Then I need to paste the address where I'll receive whatever I mine. I'll choose Bitcoin. Now here. Perfect. Give me a second. I'll go back and paste it here. Next, I need to choose how much I want to mine. In my first test, I picked a smaller amount because I didn't really understand how this service worked yet, but after multiple tests, I found what works best for me. Perfect, the mining process has started. Okay, give me a second. I need to wait a little while. The service connects to the offline farm and starts processing the extraction from the blockchain. And done. Nice, makes sense. Every transaction on the Bitcoin network comes with a fee. Now I'm just going back to my wallet, tapping the button at the bottom. Give me literally 1 second. Now here. Yep, nice. And done. Nice. Give me a second. This actually looks interesting, guys. Now I'm heading back to the home screen. I should get a notification. Perfect. Now I'll just refresh the page. And one more time. And come on. Come on, bro. And there it is. Do you guys see this? I'm honestly shocked. This is insanely fast, like unbelievably fast, guys. Let me check my transaction history. Yeah, everything's there. I'm still testing this service to understand how consistently it works, because sometimes you have to repeat the process multiple times, and there is definitely some unreliability with services like this. But personally, my own experience with it has been good so far. This service also has support. A few times after completing all the steps, I didn't receive the return transactions, so I contacted them directly, and they actually gave clear instructions on how to solve the issue. Alright guys, that's it for today. If this was useful, definitely leave a like. I make these videos specifically for you. See you later!